Hello everyone. Oh, it feels like being more confident? Absolutely great. This hypnosis session is for those who want to become more confident. Don't listen this session while driving or operating a machinery. You can only listen this session when you don't need to pay any conscious attention to any task. This is your time to relax yourself and rejuvenate yourself so you can become relaxed. Follow through my voice and begin to relax yourself. That's good. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth and relax. That's good. As you inhale through your nose and exhale, you relax. Every breath you take and release. You release all the stress, all the tension, and become calm and relax. Begin to relax your head. That's good. Allow this positive, relaxant energy flow to your face muscles. That relaxes your face muscles, and this begins to relax your back of the head. Your neck begins to relax, and it relaxes both your shoulders. Allow this positive energy to relax your both shoulders and relax your arms. This positive energy flows through both of your arms and it relaxes your arms. As it relaxes your arms, your hands begin to relax and all your body begins to relax. That's good. Allow this positive relaxant energy to flow through your back muscles. It relaxes your upper back and lower back. Allow this energy to relax your chest muscles, and it begins to relax your belly. It relaxes all your internal organs and external organs. It relaxes your buttocks, and it begins to relax your thighs. That's good. You may feel your eyes becoming heavier and heavier and heavier. That's good. This positive energy begins to relax your whole self, and your eyes are eager to close now. Now begin to close your eyes fully. As you close your eyes, you go into a deep state of consciousness where you feel relaxed. This positive relaxant energy relaxes both your legs from thighs till toes of your feet. It also relaxes both feet's fingers. That's good. This positive energy begins to rise throughout your body now. As it relaxes your whole body, it begins to feel great. From now onward, every day, you begin to become more and more confident. Your confidence begins to rise higher and higher. As you begin to focus your breathing. Your breathing will make you feel relaxed. Every breath you take will make you go deep and deep and deep. That's good. From now onward, whenever you look into the mirror, you will see a calm, confident person. As you smile, you will see your confidence rising higher and higher and higher. I want you to imagine or think a full-length mirror in front of you. You can imagine it or you can think of it. As you find it easy to realize, you can choose to imagine or think of it. As you look into the mirror, you see the reflection of a confident person. As you smile, you see that confidence just by looking into the mirror. You can notice all that signals there in that reflection. And you can notice all the details of that confident self in that reflection. Now you can absorb into that reflection. As you begin to merge with that reflection, you find it amazing, wonderful. You begin to feel confident. The feeling of this confidence rises higher and higher and higher. That's good. Being deep in this state, you begin to notice yourself more and more confident, deeper and deeper and deeper. You are open to receive the suggestions. That suggestions will go deep into your subconscious mind, and that will grow stronger and stronger. Day by day, every way, you become more and more of what you want to be. As you choose to become confident, you become more resourceful. You become the best you can be. And you begin to trust yourself. You begin to smile often. You begin to walk confidently. You begin to talk confidently. As you begin a talk with anybody, you look straight into the eyes of the person you are talking with. All your attention and focus begins to be outward on the person or the persons you are talking to. You find it easy and comfortable when you are in conversation with anybody you know or you don't know. From now onward, every day, you will find yourself becoming more and more confident as you follow the suggestions. You are becoming more and more confident. I want you to follow with me. I want you to say the statement, I am confident. As you say this statement, I am confident, this will enable you to become more and more confident. As you repeat with me silently in your mind, I am confident. I am confident. This will go deep into your subconscious mind. As this suggestion will go deep into your subconscious mind, that will become part of your self. That's good. Repeat after me in your mind. I am confident person. I am confident person. Imagine being confident, how it looks like, how great it feels like, how you walks, how you talks, how more and more positive energy begins to emit from you. See yourself glowing and growing now. As you know that learning to be confident is amazing process, you enjoy this process and learn at the deeper level of your subconscious mind. You now use the power of your subconscious mind and become more than enough confident person. As you repeat with me once again, I am confident. Again, I am confident. I am confident person. 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 Once more. I am confident person. I am confident person. With conviction now, I am confident person. I am confident person. As you begin to see yourself in your mind's eye, a confident person, all you feel now, you feel yourself confident. You begin to imagine and enlighten yourself more and more confident, more and more resourceful. As you love and accept yourself at the deeper level of yourself, repeat with me. I love and accept myself fully and completely as I am. I now love and accept myself fully and completely as I am now. This gives you feeling of confidence, more and more confident. Day by day, every way, your confidence grows. Now you feel more and more confident. As you know, being confident is amazing. One time you see yourself confident, it is amazing. Just a big smile comes on your face whenever you begin to start a conversation. Whenever you need to start to talk, whenever you need to be confident, a big beautiful smile comes on your face. You see yourself smiling often. Most of the time, you keep smiling, you keep calm, you keep resourceful. Each and every way, you find yourself more confident. In the morning, in the evening, all the day long. Your confidence is rising higher and higher and higher. That's good. Enjoy being confident. How great it feels like if you become double confident than this one. Staying deep into yourself in this deep state of consciousness. Imagine your confidence rising 4, 5 times or even 10 times. How much more you enjoy being calm and confident in your daily routines. Just enjoy being confident and absorb all this wonderful, amazing feeling of confidence and make all necessary adjustments in your mind and body so you can become full confident person. As you become fully confident one, I want you to make all necessary adjustments and get ready to come back. I will count from 1 to 5. You will come back slowly and gradually. That's good. 1. Making necessary adjustments, feeling your body, absorbing all positive energy of confidence in each and every muscle of your body. 2. Absorbing energy of this confident self, each and every cell of your body. That's good. That's wonderful. Beautiful. Absorbing this positive energy in your mind, at the deeper level of your mind, making all necessary adjustments, coming back to alertness, awakeness. That's good. 3.5. Feel your body, feel sensation in your body, positive energy rising higher. 4. Almost awake. 5. Fully awake, refreshed, wonderful. This was amazing session. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed this confidence building session. Comment below how you enjoyed this confidence building session and how much you feel confident now. Listen this session again and again, as many times as you like, and achieve your desired level of confidence. Thank you so much.